It's full. Phu Quoc is already discovered by many. This is where people are coming now. Many tourists. Banana boat. 1.2 million for the banana boat here. There we have tourists here. I'll just take you up to the back. Some nice looking, must be a resort or something. Oh, it is, it's the Radisson. See this? Many tourists in the ocean. Good afternoon from the paradise island of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So featured in today's video is going to be an area on the west coast called the Grandworld beachfront. So I've actually just been to the Grandworld city area, which is an out of this world experience in itself. It's a beautiful architecturally a European theme designed city area called Grandworld. Beautiful city. It's a city on both sides of like a lake canal. Shops, restaurants, hotel, homestay accommodation, all available there. That'll be coming in a future video, but I'm pretty sure that many of you are actually looking for an out of this world beach location on this paradise island here in Phu Quoc, and not just on this beautiful island, but also looking for an absolutely out of this world beach area location for your holiday destination, wherever it is you may choose to go. So in today's video, I'm going to actually share with you an absolutely stunning beach location. I've already had a wander around prior to making this introduction. Now this area here, there's two big, huge resorts. The Radisson Blu is one of them, and the Wyndham Garden is the other one. I'm pretty sure they're 4 or 5 star resorts. So I'm going to take you through the beach locations adjoining both of those sections. It's all public beach. There's no payment needed or anything here. All the car parking's free also, which is absolutely wonderful. There's sun lounges, seating areas. There's thatched roof type areas or bird's nest roof type seating areas as well. There's lots of water sports activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the beach. I'm going to turn right and walk up to the Radisson Blu and the Wyndham Garden, show you those areas, and I'm going to come back down and from where I started, turn left and just walk a little bit in that direction, and just give you an idea of what a true paradise beach location really does look like. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Grandworld beachfront. Okay, so I've just arrived at this beach location from up there, which is leading you to the Grandworld city centre area. And I just want to show you this. So this is the Grandworld beach location right now. How it is. Free tour. So I'm here with the motorbike, free parking. There's my motorbike there. And we've arrived here at the Siren Beach Club area. So no asking for any parking or anything. Here's the main entrance to the Siren Beach Club. It's just through there. I'll just show you some of the drinks and things available there. All the cocktails and things there. Mixers, beers, soft drinks, fresh fruit juice, snacks also. Even have the shisha. It's there at the Siren Beach Club. Can I just show the seating? There's the seating areas just inside there. All nice colourful gold colour seating. So just from the Siren Beach Club, we're going to enter now to the beach Grandworld Water Sports. So this is classified as the Grandworld beachfront. So the Siren Beach Club is through there. Nobody actually there. There is a bar over in the distance. We'll capture that when we go round along the beach. So just here we have ladies and men's toilets. There's also shower facilities as well in there. You want to wash off after the sand. All free again, no charge. Just show you the water sports activities available here. Grandworld. Many different water sports activities available. We have all the swimming pool rules and regulations all on the board there. And then here we are, welcome to paradise. Wow. See quite a few people in the distance in that direction. I'm going to be heading in this direction first of all. Some people going out on the jet ski there. Someone just coming back in on the jet ski. This here, some family just waiting for the water sports activities in there. This little place here, not sure what these are. Funky looking things in there. Towels, families. And then here's all the water sports, Grandworld water sports. Jet ski is 800,000 for 10 minutes, 1.5 for 20. Parasailing is 1 million for one person, 1.5 for two. Banana boat, 1.2 million. Many water sports activities there. Let's go and head in this direction. Here we have all these little seating areas on the beach. So here's the banana boat. There it is. Oh, looks as though there's been a little bit of erosion here. There's a little bit of a step down. Jet skis in the ocean there. A bit wavy here. Haven't seen waves at any other areas here in Phu Quoc. A few tourists though as well. We have sun lounges and things at the back of the beach. We actually have a beach bar as well there. I'll take you close up to that in a moment. There's the sun lounges. There's the beach bar. There's your beach bar. There's a swing as well there. Wow, nice. Grandworld. We've got quite a few tourists here. Didn't expect to see anybody here. Quite a few. A little swing or something there again. And jet skis. And we're just going to go over to that side. We have people in the ocean there. People just lay relaxing on the beach. Trees at the back of the beach. And we're just going to head in this direction. Wow, so this section here we have some rocks, and then we have a huge collection of sun lounges. Not sure whether there's some kind of accommodation here or something. Got a few people in the ocean as well here. Wow. I'll take you through this here. So there's big groups of tourists in this area here. Wow, we have tourists here. I'll just take you up to the back. Some nice looking, must be a resort or something. Oh it is, it's the Radisson. There it is, the Radisson. Oh, so that's why. So that's the Radisson, so we won't walk any further there. Just take you down and show you the beach location here at the Radisson. Maybe can walk because it's a public beach. Very beautiful. Wow, look at this. You can see why it's the Radisson blue. Lots of blue colour here. Oh, it's very full. Every sun lounger has a towel on it there. Very nice. So there's the Radisson blue. Not sure whether this is all Radisson blue or not. You even have a volleyball court here. 2 volleyball courts. Wow. So beautiful. Okay, so I'm not sure whether this is all Radisson blue or not. Little tent there, people underneath that. And then we're down to the next section of the beach. This looks like a different place. It's a different style of seating. There's the banana boats. A Pikachu ride as well there. Wow. Wow, this is a busy section of beach. Oh my God, so many tourists here. I didn't expect to see this. Many tourists in the ocean. families. Wow. Oh, this is the Wyndham Grand. Wyndham Grand, this one. Wow. So we have this in Bali as well, Wyndham. Yeah, look at this. Full. Phu Quoc is already discovered by many. This is where people are coming now. Want nice holidays, beautiful weather, beautiful relaxing vibes, no drama. Wow. How many people's in the ocean? Ooh la la. That's super busy. This goes on and on and on down there in the distance, the beach. I'm not going to go. There's a little bit of erosion here. It's only slight, but there is some. It's a Wyndham Garden in the back. Wow, look at this. Very nice. It's the busiest part of the ocean. We even have the lifeguards here as well. Wow. Very good. So they have some live entertainment of an evening. Another beach bar at the back there. Wyndham Garden. Super nice. Okay, just down at the other end, it's very, very busy here as well. Super busy out in the ocean. Wow, many, many families out in the ocean there. Surf rescue, lifeguards everywhere. This is a bit more natural, rugged area here. Kids playing in the sand, just sitting on the rocks. Wow. Looks as though we have some kind of beach club or something here. Wow, so many people. Look at this. Super, super busy. Yeah, very, very busy here. Wow. Literally every seat is taken. It's not as nice, the beach here, it's a little bit roped off. Just go up to the other end. So there's erosion here as well. So all the beaches are suffering with erosion. Many, many tourists. So we have some kind of beach club or something there. Wyndham Garden Beach Bar. Oh, so this is Wyndham Garden as well. So many, many. Wow, beautiful. So we do have erosion here as well taking place. Everybody's still out enjoying the ocean. Oh, you just look at this. So busy. Tourists everywhere. Oh, so many out in the ocean as well. Fabulous. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit to the Grandworld beachfront location here on the west coast of the island paradise of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So what can I say? Oh la la, paradise found. So I've already been to some of the beach locations near where I'm staying. They are already very, very beautiful, beautiful white sand beach locations, crystal clear oceans. However, I think this is the best area what I've visited so far. Absolutely beautiful. Two major resorts here, the Radisson Blu and the Wyndham Garden. Really, really busy. Lots of tourists here, lots of tourists on the on the sun lounger areas, lots of tourists in the ocean. Was a little bit of erosion up on the far end on the second section when I come back to the starting point and walked in the other direction. A little bit of erosion there. You've got lots of places to get drinks, places for food all along the back of the beach. Not overly cheap price, a little bit expensive here, but I think you're paying for the beauty of the paradise location, what I've featured in today's video. So if you're staying here in Phu Quoc, probably staying in the central sort of like city area where the majority of tourists stay. However, there was a lot staying in this area. If you're looking for a peaceful, tranquil, relaxing, beautiful island paradise holiday, maybe this is an area what you should give consideration to up on the west coast here at the Grandworld area here on Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. And if you are staying in the main city area where the majority of the people stay visiting Phu Quoc Island, take the time out and come and visit this location. And if not, come and stay here and experience this wonderful place for yourself. And I shall say bye for now.